Hi, I'm Kate and I've just bought the Omnilux LED light therapy mask and I'm going to unbox it. So this is how it arrives. This is the size of the box. Then opening it up, this is how it looks inside. So this is how the mask looks. It's super soft to touch and it has a cable coming out of it here. And then it has elastic Velcro bands to go around the back of your head. Then inside the box there's an instruction manual, you have a cable, you have various different charging heads depending on your country. There's a user guide, there is a little bag to keep your mask clean and safe, and finally there is the controller. So I am really impressed with all the various accessories that come with this and the guidebooks to show you how to use it. It's all beautifully packaged and I'm super excited to use the mask.